Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Now, I've eaten a lot of pineapple. I even have videos on why you should eat pineapple, how to cut a pineapple. But I've never had a pink pineapple. Let's dig in, chop this baby up, and try a pink pineapple. All right, here's that baby right there. Okay, get the box out of here. All right, this is a little soft, so this might be just a little overripe. So we're gonna have to get into it. Let's take this bottom part off here. Ooh, look at that, it's nice and soft. Ooh, look at that. There's Pinky Mahoney right there. What I like to do with the pineapple is just cut it down the sides like this. Check that out. We'll finish this up. And then I'll show you what I do next. All right, I chopped this baby in half. That looks really good, doesn't it? Look at that. Let's take a medallion of it. Let's chop this up. Mike tries the pink pineapple. There she be. Try it. Two things hit me. It's a little sweeter than the regular yellow golden pineapple, and it's less acidic in my opinion. It's gone. Pink pineapple, delicious, healthy for you. Make salads out of it, or just eat it like this. For more videos, check out Live Life 365 and all my socials. Until next time, peace of pineapple.
Live life 365.
So let's put this, okay, discard. Baba.